Here I am in Osaka. It's the Holiday Inn Namba. And got here last night. This is not the first time I've been in the room. I was just so exhausted I didn't do anything last night. I didn't, do a little walk around with the camera. No, I was tired. But as a matter of fact, I've been out all day today just walking around. Excuse the hat head. I've had my ball cap on, and so yeah, it's all jacked up. But anyway, been walking around town, eating my way through Osaka, and I'm stuffed. It's been delicious, and I plan on doing some more. But yeah, it is what it is. Here we go. So room review. Got to put your key into this little guy. That way it'll turn on the lights and you'll be able to see. I found that out last night because I walked through the door and dropped my key and I was scrounging around in the pitch black dark. Anyway, here goes the bed. Very comfortable. Had everything I needed, to be honest with you. Here goes the television that doesn't work. It doesn't matter. I haven't turned it on, but I tried to just because, just to watch Japanese television, but it doesn't work. I told them. I hit the power button, it just doesn't work. There goes your coffee, tea, ice bucket setup. And then your little fridge with complimentary water. It's been really, really nice. But yeah, all right. Over here, when you first walk in, you can put your valuables in there and lock them up, I guess, with a key card or whatever like that, but I haven't done that. But, if I did want to, I guess I could. But, there goes the pajamas that I will never be able to wear because I can't fit into the Japanese stuff. Alright, bathroom time. Alright, pretty good bathroom, actually. It's got everything that I could need. It's got the double setup there for some double action, I suppose, and of course the Toto for my bunghole. Seriously, America, you need to get with it. This is. I mean, just stop walking around being dirty butts. Good God. Anyway, toilet kit. Hair dryer, big bottles of soap, sink, big bottles of shampoo, big bottle of conditioner and body wash, towels. If it hadn't been for the movie Rock, I never would have known what this thing ever was. You remember when Sean Connery took that and he basically threw that guy off the ledge and was holding him by his arm, all because of that little thing? Yeah, never would have known unless I'd seen that movie, to be honest with you. Anyway, here's something you're going to get a kick out of. I know I did. Alright, it's dinner and a show, folks. I kid you not. So I guess if you're here with your significant other, if you're here with your girlfriend or your boyfriend or whatever the hell you're into, yeah, you can take a shower and watch them in bed, or they can be in bed watching you in the shower. Kinda kinky. Actually, I like it. But anyway. Alright. So, like I said, there we go. Yep. Be sure to get your butt. Alright, so not everything is wonderful about this room. Don't let me kid you. The only thing that, well, actually, other than the air conditioner being at Celsius, and literally I was freezing my butt off last night because I had no idea I ended up having to ask Siri what's the conversion on Celsius to Fahrenheit. Anyway, when I got up, I turned it, I was boiling at one point because I had it set at 29 degrees Celsius. So I was just sweating my ass off. Anyway. Here we go. Here's my view. Spectacular view of this building in construction, or deconstruction, whatever the heck they're doing. So I don't have a fancy view. I'm on the 11th floor, but I don't have a fancy view. I do have the Dotonbori, a little bit of the Dotonbori Ferris wheel thing, I think is what that is. I don't know. Anyway, so, ooh, yeah. One of the, actually, it was this little, the room comes with a cell phone. It's called Handy, and actually did come in handy, but because literally you can take it, as you can take the thing and leave the room with it, and apparently you can make phone calls. I haven't, because I don't really need to call anybody, but you can use the maps, which that has been fantastic. So you can bring up Google Maps. Basically you just have and it's rolled into the room. I think that's pretty cool. That's all I got. So I'm going to go probably eat some more stuff. To be honest with you, I'm just gonna be honest. I've eaten so much, but I'm gonna go eat some more stuff. All right.